Hello! So, it's Ate Happy's second day in the Philippines. Bakasyon siya. And now we're here at SNR preparing for the restock. So, magre-restock kami ng supply sa bahay. Alam niyo na, balikbayan things.
I met you last December. Well, I think it was your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost.
Saan siya? Yung dati mo pabayaan. Ikaw. Okay. Oh my God. So you want? Where's Miss Rachel? Okay. Grabe ang init. Maling-mali yung aming andar. Wala akong sunscreen.
You okay? Nakasubo?
Where's Miss
Ay, ang
Rachel?
papa? Paano papa?
Akay-akay nila lahat.
Kaya.
Pinauna na ako kasi gawa na rin. This is Mother's Day. Na-appreciate ko na nanay na ako, anak. Give mommy a kiss on Mother's Day? Hindi yan. Si mommy. Give mommy a kiss? Hmm? Thank you. Kain tayong breakfast.
At nawa sa tulong at panalangin ng aming
Knockout. Oh, so sorry. I'm so sorry. Nahali ko. I'm so sorry. Daddy, parang basketball ka ha. Ang hawak bola ka ha. Parang bola ang dala. Mama, alam niyo ang bawal. Huwag niyong kainin ng taba at balat. Mama, oh. Himay. Oh. Dito to sa manam. Manam. Ano to? Wanam. Wanam. Tubo lang ako. Ito, best na natikman kong Dubai Chewy Cookie. Papatry natin kay Ate Happy. Si Joreen. Try natin sa kanya. As in, ito guys, isa lang piraso. Sobrang dami na niya. So, hati-hati na kami sa isa. Pa-Mother's Day ko kay ate to kasi regalo sa akin ni Iva. Sabi ko, i-share kong blessing ko.
I appreciate it, sister. Pero kasi it is Ayun the beach body, not beach belly.
Ba't ka nakatalikod? May tahini kasi siya, tahini. Diba? Rate it, rate it. Ito best, I can vouch.
Good.
Gini-gatekeep ko to, ayoko i-share sa vlog ko to eh.
In fairness, it can compete to a real Katayfi.
A real one, right. The flavor, the tahini. Approved. See you tomorrow, guys. By the way, we're already packing. So, ito, nagpapacking na ako. Ito ang gagamitin ko.
Mataya!
Bagahe, hand carry.
Yan, ikaw itong marang bata. Mataya? Kuha mo akong tissue.
Namimili pa yan.
Maleta ay nakahiga lahat.
Mataya?
Namimili pa yan na may gilong. Tinan mo yan.
Give me tissue.
Sinifigure ka pa ito hihiga eh.
Talino. Ito itong bala ko doon.
What's that? Ano yan?
So, hi vlog. Time check. It's already past 3. I think it's 3:30 a.m. na. And ang flight namin today is 2:30 ng hapon. So, eto na. So far ang bagahe. I'm gonna be checking that in. Nag-avail ako ng checked baggage dahil marami akong kailangang dalhin gamit ni Finn. Ito nga pala yung binili kong bag sa Bag Smart. For hand carry ko siya. Mom travel. So that's the first update for today. Today is May 11. So ang itinerary namin, we have to be at Kubo by 9 a.m. and we're gonna have breakfast there. I think brunch. We're going na by 10 a.m. dahil we have to travel early kasi Monday. So we have to avoid the traffic. So initially, si Ivan dapat ang maghahatid sa amin mag-ina. Pero gusto ni Ate Happy is sama-sama na kami. So it's gonna be 3 cars, MUX for the Miranda family, Terra for the seniors, and then Expander for the youngsters. So yun. Update ko na lang kayo later. Hi guys, we're on the way to the airport. Sobrang daming kaguluhang naganap. May mga wala na sa mood.
Na-confiscate ang lotion.
Yeah, Papa, I'm so happy. Jump!